Menstruation is something every woman loves and hates. It's a magical phenomenon in the female body because your menstrual cycle is your body's preparation for pregnancy. It's usually a 28-day cycle. From the moment a woman is born, the 2 million follicles in her body are dormant. When a girl reaches the age of 10 to 15, she may have her first period. At first, the female brain releases two hormones, estrogen and luteinizing hormone. These two hormones are present to stimulate the development of follicles so that the uterus is ready for conception. Then the uterus receives the message and thickens its lining. The uterus is ready to provide the necessary environment for the fertilized egg to settle in the womb. On day 7, the egg also releases a large amount of estrogen. Under the effect of the large amount of estrogen, the woman will feel better and happier during this period. On day 14, the follicle is stimulated to mature by luteinizing hormone. The follicle moves to the end of the ovary. Then the follicle releases an egg. The fallopian tubes wrap the egg and carry it away. This process is called ovulation. The egg travels through the fallopian tube to the uterus. If the egg and the sperm happen to meet in the uterus and unite, then a fertilized egg is formed that will lay in the uterus. If fertilization is not successful, the egg will be broken down within a day. On day 15, the ovaries begin to release progesterone. During this luteal phase, you're depressed and in a very low mood. Then the uterus will nourish some nutrients and be ready for the fertilized egg to be fertilized. But since the egg and the sperm don't meet, the uterus is soon deprived of nutrients and blood. And that means menstruation is imminent. On the 28th day, when there is no fertilized egg ready to be laid, then the lining of the uterus, which was previously formed, will slough off and become necrotic. These sponge-like objects will shed themselves and be expelled from the body. This is menstruation, and then the cycle of shedding. So a woman's menstrual cycle, when magnified, is a good preparation for conception.